This is Tip from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch from the party chat over to the game chat. So we can just go to the party screen right here and open this up. And once we get to the screen, we want to go on over to versus party audio. Then under here, we can go to chat audio, prioritize party chat, and we can go to prioritize game chat. And then if there is a game chat available, we will go ahead and switch on over to the specific game chat. Now, if we get kicked out of the game chat, we'll automatically be placed back into the party. But you can see that you're in the game chat indicated by this symbol right here, right next to your name. So just switch it on over under party audio settings, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.